Welcome back. Kevin's Mobile Repair. Got a 2009 BMW X3 doing a driver's side window regulator. Motor's good, just the regulator itself came apart. Look at that. That's beautiful. Alright, so door panel comes apart first. We have one right there at the base of the armrest. This panel right here comes off. Use a pick or a small flathead screwdriver and pick the panel itself off, and then you got a bolt there and a bolt there, and then the rest are clips that go around the outside to disengage your locking mechanism. See this little tabby right there? You just lift up on that, and then this whole assembly will come out, and then disconnect your two connectors, one for the speaker and then the other one for the window switch itself. This little styrofoam piece right here is supposed to come off at the glue points, but this glue has been on here for so long it wasn't want to come off, so I had to rip it, but I'm going to tape it up once I put the piece back on. So for the window regulator itself, per the service manual, it says you have to remove the glass to get the regulator itself out, which is semi-true, because top bolt right here, the glass actually sits right here, which there's not enough room in order to push the regulator itself back, see? But I found a little trick that I can get this out without having to take the glass out. So how you take the glass out, see this little push pin right here where my finger's at? You're going to push that in because it's going to lock on a hole inside the glass. It's up here now, but there's a hole that the glass itself slides over, and then this pops into place. It's what holds the glass to the actual regulator itself. So you get a screwdriver, push that little tab, and then lift up on the glass, and the glass itself will come up. And then I just push it all the way up to the top, use a screwdriver to wedge it in there so it doesn't come roll down. You can use little suction cups, they have them for that, or tape, whichever you want to use. But back to the regulator piece. 310s hold it on, one here at the bottom, one here at the motor half, and then the other one up here. So when you go to take it out, it doesn't want to come out because that glass itself sits right here. So what I did is rotate it to the side, just like this, gives it enough room, and I'm able to slide it out. So same way going back in. Two hands for that. But yeah, just push it to the inside part of the base, rotate it just a little bit, and then it will pop out enough just to squeak by the metal up here and come down. And that's without having to take out the glass, because I was not looking forward to having to do that. That's a whole bunch more stupid steps in order to do. But then disconnect your connector there. I went ahead and took off the motor. Do want to take off the motor because you will not be able to rotate it far enough inside here with the motor on there. So take the motor off, which is T25 Torx bits. Yes. So, and once you do that, then you'll be able to get access to it real easy, and all that without having to take the glass out. Any questions or comments, please feel free to let me know.